Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to cash out Solana from your Phantom. So, let's get started. First, open Phantom Wallet on your mobile, once you are in. Now, to cash out Solana, we need a crypto exchange. I'm using KU Coin for this tutorial. You can use any exchange you want. So I open the KU Coin exchange, and then I have to find deposit address. To find it, click on the Add Funds option, and then click on the Deposit Crypto option, and then here search for Solana in the search bar, and then select it from the results. Once you select it, here you will see multiple networks, but you have to select Sol network. Once you select it, after that, click on the two little square icons to copy the address. Once you copy it, now go back in Phantom Wallet. Once you are there, tap on the Send option in the homepage, and then from there, select Solana. And then here, you have to paste your exchange address that you just copied. Once you paste the wallet address, click on the Next at the bottom, and after that, enter the amount of Solana you want to cash out from Phantom Wallet. After entering, hit Next at the bottom, and review the details, and tap Send to confirm the process. After a short wait, your Solana arrives in KU Coin Exchange, and you can withdraw them in your bank account. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.